Good evening, Hakology. In tonight's video we'll be carrying on with our binary series. In the last video I taught you how to convert numbers from decimal into binary and from binary into decimal. In this video we're going to be looking at binary addition. So, binary addition. So if we take the numbers 2 and the numbers 5 in decimal and we add them up in binary, how do we go about doing that? Well, the rules of binary addition are as follows. 1 plus 0 or 0 plus 1 is 1. That's always the case. 0 plus 0 is 0, obviously. And then 1 plus 1 is 10. But 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we just carry the 1. When we reach the number 2, we just carry the 1 over into the next column. So 2 plus 5 in binary, if we apply that here on this slide, we can see that in the first column, 0 plus 1 is 1. And in the second column we can see 1 plus 0 is 1. And then in the third column we can see 0 plus 1 is 1. And in the fourth column we can see 0 adds 0 is 0. So we could really ignore that column if we wanted to. And the answer is 7. And we can check that by just adding these numbers up again. So we can add 4 plus 2 plus 1 and we get the answer 7. So adding in binary is pretty easy. So let me just remind you of the rules, and this one in particular, 1 plus 1 equals 1, 0. So we always carry the 1. So in this example, we're just going to look at 1 plus 1, and we see that 1 plus 1, we put a 0 in this column, we carry the 1 into the second column, and we can see that the answer is 1, 0. If we just fill the table in. Okay, so carrying ones, you should get it by now. Let's just have a look at this number. This is the number 6 plus the number 3. So if we wanted to do 6 plus 3 in binary, go to the first column and we say 0 plus 1 is 1. And then we go into the next column, carrying no ones. So 1 plus 1 is 10. We carry the 1 across into the next column. And then we look at this, we say 1 plus 0 is 1, plus the 1 we carried over. So that would be 0, and 1 in the end column, which gives us our answer 9. That's been binary addition. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Hakology, and we'll be back really soon. Peace.